across the body. Zeliangrong represent the vibrant culture of the Zeliangrong community of Manipur, Nagaland and Assam. Her attire is a beautiful expression of tradition and identity. The headgear stands out with elegance symbolizing pride, honor and deep cultural root. She is adorned with layered, colorful necklaces that highlight the richness of the Zeliangrong community and heritage. Each element of an attire tells a story of legacy and belonging, a perfect blend of beauty, culture and the timeless pride of the Zeliangrong people of Northeast India.